What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here, on location on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns. No, they aren't live bees. Any and everything down below. Now then. So, I recently heard about this, and I wanted to see if it was true, so I decided since I was at the PEZ warehouse up in Michigan, I would check it out. So, this is what I'm finding out. And I grabbed 3 of each one at random. And on the very bottom, let me do it this way. See at the very bottom how it says TTL7. Okay. TTL15. And now TTL10. So that means there are numerous numbers. What numbers there are, I am uncertain for which ones. But I have found this out. So we showed you the Lucky Charms guy. Let's add him back in the pile. Now let's check out the Tricks Rabbit. 31 TTL. 25 TTL. 23 TTL. Okay, so we saw the TTLs on the ones with the red stems. Now, the bee and the Cocoa Puffs, see a pelican? Cockatoo? He's a bird. And this bird actually has on the bottom, tag, T-A-G, and then the number 11. And then I look here, this one is also a tag. Number 8. This one's also a tag. Has a different number. Trust me on that one. Alright, so then we look at the bee. I'm not sure if he looks happy or if he looks like he's going to bite you because he doesn't have a stinger on the bottom of him. But on the bottom of him, he does also have tag. And then 28. So Lucky Charms and the Tricks Rabbit have TTL. The bee, and wherever this Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs crazy thing is, they have TAG. So that's one thing we do know. But how high the numbers go? Uncertain. And I don't have enough here to figure that out. So let us all work together and share our PEZ knowledge. So until next time...